This is a mini table tripod. Okay. It's lightweight and portable, convenient to carry around, and this is a folding design. Can be used as a handheld stabilizer for recording video. You can adjust the angle, okay, by pressing these two buttons, this and this all together. You hold it and press and hold it. Okay, you can lift up and lift down. Okay, how many level? Let's try it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, around is 12. Okay, you cannot push down. You need to press these two buttons again and lift it down. With this 1/4 inch screw for mounting the digital camera or the smartphone holder. This is a digital camera. Okay, we can fit in here, or we can use this smartphone holder and we can fit in here. Now I'm going to show you how to fit in this digital camera. Just screw it. Make sure it is firmly attached. Okay. Now I'm showing you how to fit in this smartphone holder. Okay. Now I can lock it. Okay. And okay, maybe that's the wrong side, and we lose a little bit and turn it. Okay, there's some blocking here. We just press down and just turn it. Okay, now it's done. And your phone, put in here. Then you just lock it. That's on the power. Use as a pistol hand grip to easily manipulate the camera when taking on the go video. If you want to take a vertical video or the horizontal video, or you can adjust here. Okay, lose it. Okay, just a little bit. Then you can turn it. Okay, just push up a bit. Lock it. Okay, and lose a little bit. Then just turn it. Okay, then to lock again. locks here. If you accidentally loosen, okay, it's okay. You can fix it yourself. And you want to be a tripod. Also can be a tripod for smartphone.